How to fix "We're sorry but Word Excel has run into an error" issue. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix this problem. The first method is you want to click on the search bar and here search run. Then you want to type here Excel space / save, then press enter. Now Excel will open up. Here click on Files, then select Options. Now you want to choose Add-ins. Then find the option of Manage. Click on this drop down and select COM Add-ins. Then click on Go. Now you want to uncheck any boxes over here. Then click on OK. Now this was the first method. For next method, you want to click on the search bar again and this time search Control Panel. Now select Programs and Features. Then find Microsoft Office. Click on that. Now select Change. Then you want to select Repair, then follow the on-screen instructions. Once the repair has been completed, your error will be fixed, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.